absolutely pleased to review NABA presentation. NABA is one of the most prestigious fashion schools and, in Milan and Rome. They did this amazing research on style, on clothes, on a new vision of the collection. You see, most of the pieces are gender fluid, and this footage has been shooted inside NABA headquarters. I think the shapes and the materials they use to realize this collection is absolutely avant-garde. I can easily say that NABA is empowered by a managing board that is really prestigious, and they used to experiment in different scenarios, such contemporary art, classical art, philosophy, sculpture, architecture, and so you can easily perceive that this is the result of syncretism of know-how and education. So different disciplines mastered and lectured in NABA can generate such an incredible presentation, fashion shows. I think this is pure avant-garde and something that can be seriously appreciated in the highest level of fashion circles. I love the way they shoot. They have also a cinematographic view and how to handle the recording and the shooting, different types of movements with the camera, using also drone and trying to give the best perception of the young talent creations. Absolutely stunning. The selection also of the fabric, the cut, the shapes, unexpected matches, incredible, very good, amazing job, beautiful. Definitely. Good job, guys. NABA.